How long do you think it would take to phone him up and wish him a happy birthday? If he was way over there, on the furthest way we could see that way, and he's way over there and it's the furthest way. The Bible says that all those stars up there are not only there to show God's glory, but this says that the stars actually talk to us. So we're just going to turn it on the first notch. Alright. Now, can you feel anything? Just on one side there's a big red star, and on the other side there's a really big blue-white star. So the red star is a cold star, and the blue-white one is actually the hottest star in our galaxy. It's 90,000 on the surface. Ours is only about 6,000. Getting a little bit hotter. Okay, so we're going to imagine the star's starting to get more and more fuel. Its fuel is hydrogen, okay? So we're going to start to turn this up. Now you watch the colour change and how bright it is. Okay, what can you feel? Is it getting hotter? Yeah. Okay, so we're going to just keep on cranking this up. Now if you see smoke coming off his hand, please tell him, alright? Okay, so we're going to keep on cranking this up. It's getting hot. Oh, it's getting hot now. All the stars really burning along well now. See how bright it is? Can you see it's changed colour? It's really white now, isn't it? Put them in front of the ultraviolet light, and the ultraviolet light's going to make them really, really energetic, okay? So astronomers, up until 80 years ago, all they could use was their eyes. But as you've seen by the pictures around the walls, there's a lot of beautiful things out there to enjoy. Completely different, aren't they? So when an astronomer looks through a telescope with a special ultraviolet filter on his telescope, he can see things that you can't see with your normal eyes. Different type of light. Okay? It's light that you can't understand. It's called plasma light. But the whole universe is full of this stuff. Now he's going to put his hand on it. Now he's put his hand on it already, and it's actually trying to scavenge atoms out of his hand. A3s. Okay. How'd you like to make photocopies?
What I want to learn about space is why are black holes so harmful. I want to know why goodness has no names. Okay. Dinner. I want to learn about the sunstorm. Okay. I want to learn about how Earth can spin.
I would like to learn more about the sun. Might be a bit of blur in that one. I did.
We'll have a look, get a white light. Move your toe there a second.
Sorry.
So I don't have to cross your foot. Okay, so once again you've got...
This is actually fun. I can't see much.
Can you see anything?
I can see the grass in my apple.
You can see the grass in your apple. What can you see? You see green?
I can see it. Wait, I can see plants.
Plants?
And what?
Can you see the little black dots?
I can see my eye on the edge.
Can you see, Tiffany? Can you see some little brown spots?
There's the sun. I can see it. See? Look at it. Let me hold it.
And you see all the hot areas and the cold areas, see the different colours on the red?
Now the film go.
Yes, please. Sitting down is what you've been asked to do. Yeah.
Molten blob of iron and nickel, and it protects you from a lot of the stuff from the sun. Mars doesn't have that. If you were standing on the surface of Mars like now trying to have a breath of air, you'd have to breathe 99 times to keep up with one breath. So basically, Mars is a big freezing cold rusty desert. That's the easiest. The comet's a very pretty thing. So they're one of the only things that you can actually get your name on. So if you found one, what's your...
And that one, and I also saw that one, and I saw everyone on the... I'm hungry. See, look, there's some astronauts. Come on, guys. Astronauts. The moon. And look, come and look at these pretty stars.
Asteroids. Okay? Some of them get trapped around when they go around Jupiter, and they go a big loop one way, and they go around Jupiter, and they do a big loop, and they go back, and they do a big loop, and they never go right round. They just go in big these little loops. They look almost straight up in the sky. You'll see there's a brightish star, and right next to it there's a bigger one. That's the planet Saturn. It's right up the...
Why?
Because they fly around space. Saturn.
Why?
Because it has a wing around it. And it's cool. I would say Earth. What would you like to... What's your favourite thing in space? Saturn. Why do you like Saturn? Because it has 56 moons. Okay.
My favourite thing in space.
Because they go really fast. Okay. What's your favourite thing in space?
My favourite thing in space is probably comets.
Why?
Because one of them's got tails and all that stuff.
What's your favourite thing in space?
I think a black hole.
Why?
Because it's cool to be in a black hole.
What's your favourite thing in space?
Comets.
Why?
Because you already know.
What's your favourite thing in space?
Jupiter, because it's so big and it has storms around it.